Yo, what's up? Quick video. Well, actually not a quick video, it's a vlog. Oh shit. It's funny how I do that now, huh?
Wait, I want to see what my teeth look like now.
Baby,
I had them adjusted today.
my baby was kind of self-conscious about her braces, but now it's a part of her now.
Well, I had a bite block and they like scaled it down, so now I can close my mouth.
Now she can eat food, which is kind of the point what we're doing today. We're at Knott's and like we're doing the fucking food vlog shit. So no, I'm not becoming a foodie vlogger. Fuck that. I just wanted to test something out today. I got this mic a long time ago, and like I haven't really used it, so I figured, okay, I'm just gonna test it to see how it works. Right? This is I think this is by Rode, Video Mic Me, made in Australia. Yeah, this should be a Rode mic. I'll put like information down. I can already tell like the audio is not that good. This is just only with the camera itself, so I'm gonna mess around with this thing and like just see how it works for the day. Actually, give me a second. I just connected the mic and I can already tell like the audio is a bit louder through my meters here. So anyways, yeah, I kind of like wanted to have some fun. Like we're at Knott's, we're gonna eat some food. Yeah, it's the Boysenberry festival that's going on at the moment, right? And a quick little side note, if you guys watch my video about me bitching about Universal Studios and you're like, wait the fuck, I thought you said you weren't gonna do theme parks anymore. It's like, no, I hate fucking traffic and large crowds. I'm gonna avoid that from now on. But we're very close to Knott's Berry Farm from where we live, and we like to come here every now and then. The crowd's pretty small and like it's fun here. So we're gonna have some food and just like check out some shit and show you what goes on and like check out some foods. All right, so yeah, I'm testing out this new mic in a crowd. I haven't done that actually. For the most part, I always film my videos in the house, so this should be new. Also, another thing I'm doing with my videos from now on is that I'm doing everything more handheld, meaning I'm not using the gimbal anymore. Actually, it turns out to be, it does become a pain in the ass after a while using the fucking thing, right? Because it just takes up more space in my backpack. Also, like, the way how it attaches my phone it's kind of a bitch. So far from what I see, like the image stabilization that's built into like my apps and to my phone stuff, it actually works okay. And then like DaVinci does a really good job of stabilizing my footage when I need it, so I'm kind of good with that sense. I'm definitely more focused on like software than hardware, you know, I noticed as I make my content, which makes sense, right? I depend on software to make my content more, so yeah, I'm more focused on that. So me and the girlfriend, we're gonna do the tasting cards, right, baby?
Yes.
All right, they're what, like 40 bucks? 50 bucks, you said.
40 or 50.
All right. Sounds good. Wow, so these things went up in price. These have been like, what, 45? Yeah, but now like they actually went up to $60. So, which is not that bad actually. You get 6 tastings.
They're full meals now. Like before, they used to be, remember, like, it'd be like almost like sample size.
Oh, okay. So they're actually full-on meals. Okay, that's actually kind of cool. So before they used to give you like little baby size samples, like you're going to Costco or some shit, but they're actually gonna give you full-on plate. Yeah, so me and the babe, we're gonna be like eating a lot. So yeah, it's kind of cool. We're getting the jambalaya, which is this shit. Fuck yeah. Some food here. They also got the booze, which I'm not drinking. It's okay. Oh yeah, you're right. I was saying how like they actually have bigger portions. Yeah, it used to be smaller than this, but they actually have full-on plates. So they increased like the price, but yeah, it's worth it now. Oh yeah, look at that sexiness. Jambalaya. It has what, shrimp, right? And chicken. There's a sausage, shrimp, andouille sausage, and some sauciness. Should be good for the warmth right now. Shit. All right, I liked it. We fucked it up. What do you think, baby? She approves. Actually good. It did have a kick to it. So compared to
they have grits here. I'm gonna try them.
All right,
and then judge them accordingly.
Because you get the grits. This one I like. Good jambalaya. Yeah, usually around Ghost Town they have like a lot of like vendors. They're kind of like independent and like they can like sell stuff here that you can purchase. Oh, pineapples! Look at that.
Where's the pineapples?
Hmm?
Where do you see pineapples?
Right here.
Oh, those are cute. Hi, buddy.
What's up, horsey? It's a beautiful animal. Oh, no piggies this time. Oh look, it's a calico goat. They usually have piggies here, but they got goats this time. One of our favorite rides is the Pony Express. So yeah, basically it's a short ride. It's just like a giant 8. Basically, that's what the track looks like. This shit launches you like fast like a motherfucker. It's short line, so we're good. Yeah, this thing goes from like 0 to 60 really fast, like launches you. It's a fun ride. It's super short though, but it's fun. Yeah, there they go.
I see. I didn't realize that there was another train.
Yeah, I obviously can't like go on the ride with this thing, so I'm just showing you how people sit and all that good stuff.
Also known as the Nut Crusher.
Yeah, it can be a bit of a nut crasher, a cracker. Yeah, this thing it kind of presses you up against your saddle. There you go. See? Yeah, you're stuck there. Then it's just it launches you like a motherfucker real fast. There they go. All right, my turn. It's actually one of the scariest rides. Hang 10. They should hang your ass up there for 10 seconds until they drop your ass. And they go here. It's a fun ride. Very traumatizing.
Why do you say that?
The girlfriend cried.
It wasn't even like. It wasn't even something I was able to control.
Yeah, it is pretty intense. Especially when you're hanging out there for 10 seconds. It's pretty gnarly. Oh, fucking getting dizzy looking at this shit. There you go. And you're done. Sweet. It's a fun ride. It's called Hang 10. Alright, we're going to try something. A Boysenberry donut shake. Smokehouse burger with onion rings and Boysenberry sauce. Chicken Caesar salad. Fuck all that shit. Alright. Alright, let's do a shake. And it smells like a burger place. Fried food and chicken and burgers, all the good stuff. It's like a school lunch line here.
That's all. Thank you.
Here, Grant-worthy fucking shake with a donut.
Oh, yeah.
So this is a Boysenberry donut shake. Actually, this seems really fucking good. Usually with shit like this, it's just like, okay, whatever. It's just mixed ice cream with some Boysenberry crap. Actually, this shit's really fucking good. So I don't know. I recommend it. I haven't tried the donut yet.
Yeah.
Alright. So actually, this shit's pretty good. Came out to $12. It's not part of the food plan. We were mistaken, but whatever, it's worth it. Alright, we're in Camp Snoopy. They have kind of like this wanna be like a little river thing, which is kind of nice. Look at that prettiness. The artificial water stream, not bad. Oh, I don't remember like the Woodstock. Yeah, that this guy right here looks new to me. Woodstock. I don't think I've ever seen him there before.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba.
Yeah. This is actually a restaurant. When it says they're having a festival, they're using the space to get some, so you can get your food here. So this is what grits and barbecue beef tips. Well, obviously the barbecue sauce is Boysenberry. Let's try this guy. Oh, it's definitely sweet. Ooh, what do you got here, baby?
They're sweet corn nuggies.
Sweet corn nuggies. So this is more of a dessert, right? Not really. It's kind of sweet. I mean, they're not really.
It's the savory.
It's good. It's basically, it's almost like sweet corn as you expect. And the sauce is Boysenberry. Not bad. Let's see. Let's try this out. Gonna get the beef barbacoa over mac and cheese. Oh, chipotle crema? Oh, that sounds bomb. Was not aware. That good? Oh wow. Okay, I like that a lot. Okay, this one gets 9. I say 10 out of 10. Some bread pudding. All right. Oh, that's good. That's our favorite thing to eat is the bread pudding here. It's really good. It's actually one of the coolest souvenir stores by the arcade. Yeah, I see it. It got some cool artwork. The artwork? Oh look, Sad Eye Joe right here. People love Sad Eye Joe apparently.
Well, he's been a staple at Knott.
I like that one. The Boysenberry lady or whatever. I came here for a shirt actually. And I think this is the one I like. Sweet. That's the one. Why? Because it has a leg. Shit. What do you think, baby? You can speak to the mic. It's a boysenberry waffle with boysenberry syrup, maple syrup.
I'm just all about the whip.
You like, fuck the waffle, you just want the whip.
Whip.
That's just pretty good.
This was recommended by a staff.
Not bad. Right? It is good. Alright, this one gets 9 out of 10 because it's a little tough. I'm like Chef Ramsay, no. No, I'm not. No, we're fucking near it. Alright, we actually like the beef barbacoa so much we actually got another one. That'll be like our last fucking taster for the day. Taking pictures of you taking pictures. That's fucking loud.
Hey, did you guys hear the train? On that note, bye!
Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Just try something different. Try to film more on the spot rather than like wait till I get home to film. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully the mic picked up, good audio. Because that's mainly the problem. It's mainly like the mic, picking up good audio. Like I said, more down the line I'll actually get a wireless mic, but we got other plans at the moment, and that's more down the line. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Bye.
Toodaloo!